Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects. I also go by the Forex Pastor, out here teaching you guys how to navigate through this Forex world. In this video, it's another inspirational video, but I wanted to show you guys how to fund your account using, how to fund your Forex broker account using Cash App. This is how I fund my accounts, and so this is how you want to do it. And we're going to do it via Bitcoin. So we're going to hit this little squiggly line down here, all right, for investments. We're going to make sure we're on Bitcoin and not on stock. Okay, we're going to select buy. Let's just say, I don't know, you can put in whatever amount you want. I'll just put $75. All right, we'll go to next. Okay, we'll hit confirm. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. All right, and so now I've purchased about $75, All right, so they have to take their fee and all that good stuff. Then you're going to go over to your browser, okay, and go over to your broker account. I'm going to go over to here, and they're all the same, but you're just simply going to go to your broker account. Okay, you're going to log in, and it works the same on any broker. And you want to go to do an instant deposit. All right, you're going to select your account, and these steps could be different on any broker. All right, but you essentially want to, whatever broker you're using, you just want to tell it that you want to fund your account with Bitcoin. Okay, yes, bonus, yes, I understand. We're going to click make deposit. Okay, confirm. And whatever broker you're on, you want to just basically get to the point to where you're able to copy the address where you need to send it to. Okay, I'm going to switch back over to Cash App. All right, and then we're going to click on the dollar amount, and then click Bitcoin and hit withdraw Bitcoin, and we're basically going to make it equal this top amount right here. So we're at 010354747. Hit withdraw. Then we're going to click on enter manually, and we're going to paste that address in. Hit next. Paste it in again. Hit next and confirm. Then we'll hit that. All right, so I've initiated it, and what's going to take place is you're going to get an alert from Cash App to say that, hey, your withdrawal has been confirmed on the blockchain. Okay, and then also, depending on the broker that you have, they're basically sitting and waiting for the funds to be made available. And just that quick with FX Glory, your payment has been successfully processed, all right, into this account. And if I go over to this particular account, all right, we can come here. I have to do a lot of editing here. Let's see. All right, I was just trying to find how to look at the history, but again, that's essentially how you fund your account with Bitcoin. So, all right, using Cash App, I find that to be the quickest way, easiest way to do it. And then also, if you wanted to withdraw the funds, you would just do it in reverse. Head over to the Cash App,